Your teacher again, that the cause. And this time around, we'll be talking about the noble gases. The noble gases are the group 8 elements. They constitute about 1% of the whole volume of air. Somebody likes to make a joke that when the king farts, that's what we call noble gases. Actually, that's not noble gas. A noble gas is a group 8 element that chemically inert, and they make up about 1% of the air. The most abundant of them is the argon. Examples of noble gases that are found in air are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Like radon, for example, is radioactive in nature, so it's not very abundant in nature. All noble gases are monoatomic, that is, the atomicity is 1, due to the fact that they are not reactive. These noble gases, they have very good uses, very good uses in our world. For example, helium is used in filling weather balloons because it is light and non-combustible. Actually, before now, it is hydrogen that is used for filling weather balloon, because as you know that the hydrogen is the lightest gas known on earth. So it makes it very okay to do weather balloon, because balloon needs something that is light so that I can go up as high as possible. But hydrogen has one particular problem. It is highly reactive, and when it gets to a certain level in the atmosphere where the temperature is hot, it's likely going to react with the oxygen and then explode. So this limited the use of hydrogen as for use in weather balloon. So to counter this disadvantage, we have to go for the next lightest gas, which will not be susceptible to combustion, and that gas is helium. Helium is also light, though not as light as hydrogen, but still light compared to other gases. But helium has an advantage of being inert. So no matter the height it gets to, it's not going to react with oxygen and explode, unlike what hydrogen would do. So this is the advantage of helium over hydrogen in use as used in weather balloon, because it is light and non-combustible. It is non-combustible. Neon is used in aerodrome beacons. These instruments are normally used in the airport. It is planted in airport. It's very tall, as you can see, and the purpose is to signal to the pilot that an airport is near around that place. So the light that is normally used in aerodrome beacons is neon light. Because some of the pilots might be inside fog, inside the cloud, and not all the light can penetrate fog. But neon light has a special ability of fog penetration. It can penetrate inside the fog, so that even if the pilot is inside fog, inside the cloud, the pilot can see the light and recognize the fact that there is airport within. So that is the function of aerodrome beacon. And the light used in aerodrome beacon is neon light. Neon light is one used in aerodrome beacon because of its high power of fog penetration. When you are learning about the use of noble gases, also learn the properties why they are used like that. Argon is used in gas-filled electric lamp because it helps to prevent the lamp filament from oxidizing. This is the lamp filament, the content, this tungsten wire, whatever wire it is used for conducting electricity. When the wire lights up, it becomes very hot. many of you that have used yellow bulb before, you will know that the bulb is always hot. So the lamp filament is always very hot. If the condition of that filament is not inert, if there's oxygen or any reactive gas inside the bulb, that temperature can make the metal to react, and become corroded and become oxidized. So to prevent this oxidation of lamp filament, you are going to fill the electric lamp or the lamp with argon gas. So argon gas will create an inert atmosphere, inert environment inside the bulb, such that no matter how hot the filament is, it's not going to get oxidized. So argon is used in gas-filled electric lamp because it can help us to prevent lamp filament from oxidizing because it is inert. Radon, like I told you before, is the radioactive noble gas that we have, and because it is radioactive, it is used in medicine for the treatment of cancer. It is used in medicine for the treatment of cancer. Now, mixtures of noble gas can also be applied in some places. For example, the sea divers will use a mixture of helium and oxygen when diving through the sea. A mixture of krypton and xenon, this question is a JAMB question. A mixture of krypton and xenon is used in photographer's flash tube for taking high-speed picture. It's used in photographer's flash tube for taking high-speed picture. Now, a mixture of helium, neon, and argon is used in advertisement signs because they give out colored light under high voltage and low pressure. They give out beautiful colored light under high voltage and low pressure. So you can see all these different advertisement signs. They're actually noble gases giving out their colors. Some of these noble gases have their own colors. For example, neon light is reddish orange in color. As you can see, neon 20 is reddish orange in color, beautiful reddish orange. Argon gives you a blue color in the presence of mercury. Then helium gives a white light, and that white light will appear golden if you pass it through a yellow tube. So noble gases are actually very, very useful and have high applications in our day-to-day activity. God bless you.